Hello everyone, my name is Ľubomír Varchol. Today I'd like to show you program Algodooin and how teachers can use it in teaching physics. Since Algodooin is a computer program, it allows the user to create computer models. It is often mistakenly categorized that computer model is a final product of simplifying something, but creating a computer model is a complex process which contains many components. Two main ones are simulation and visualization. Simulation basically means that I want to imitate something that's real and simplify it. The goal of simulation is that I want to acquire new knowledge. Algodooin is not that kind of program, but it can present known knowledge in a more friendly way and in a more simple way. The second main component is visualization, which in simple means that I take something that's real and I put it in something visual. So as you will see later, Algodooin is a really nice, colorful and eye-friendly program which allows the user to create simulations, but also games. The product of this visualization can be a result of some problem that I want to reach, or it can be a process that takes me closer to reaching that result. So in this slide you can see what Algodooin looks like and most of its functions. It was created in 2009 as a part of thesis in Swedish University of Umeå. Due to its simple design and its functions, it was later then developed more, and now it's free to download on the internet. The best functions of Algodooin are modeling, mechanics, and optics. In the right corner you can see fluid, in this case it's water, which is not that greatly simulated. If you look closely, the water coming out of the tube is made of little balls which basically slide on top of each other, and it is not that great to simulate when we talk about density or buoyancy. So I did not include it in this presentation. The strongest part of Algodooin is creating graphs. So I hope this video works. So I have prepared a few models. The first is a pendulum. Let's see if it plays. Okay. So the program simulates in real time, and as the pendulum moves, the graphs are being created. I have selected a few graphs of speed and position and energy, but if I want to select new physical quantities, I can change it really simply on the fly. So I have changed to angular velocity. There are many more physical quantities, so I can change on what I want to calculate or what I want to show. It is calculating with a precision of 10 to the -7 of a value. I don't know if anyone would use that kind of precision on this model, but if you want, there is a possibility. The second model is of light refraction. As you can see, the light is bending based on what the material is and what the angle of coming into the second is. Also, if I want, I can in real time change the refractive index of that, let's say, rectangle, and the light will behave as if it was changing in real time. Teachers can use these models when they talk about the topics, or they can give it to the children or the pupils so they can discover the things by themselves. There are more models, but based on the time I have included these ones. And if you would like to see more meet me in the poster session. And that's all from me. And if you have any questions, feel free. Thank you.